Hey, what's up, everyone? Sorry, so this was the pictures, the daytime ones that I wanted to show you guys. This is the ones that convinced me that these weren't raindrops. Okay, and these look the most like raindrops. These look way more like raindrops than the ones at night. But I will prove to you that they aren't. And you see the ones with the dark on the top? That is the red light that shines at night. Okay, these are the ones with the red. But as I was saying before, you can look in the distance, and I don't know of any camera that you can see single raindrops from a half mile or miles away. And you can clearly see them, like, in the distance. These aren't on the screen. If they were on the screen, there would be trails, okay, of at least one of these raindrops would have leaked down the screen. I mean, if anyone has ever seen raindrops on the screen, they know it leaks down and you have a trail of rain if it's sitting there. Okay, and then the next frame, bam. Okay, and look at all these. You got, none of these are on the screen. These are all away from the camera. A little bit, at least. Some are closer, some are farther. But you can see stuff way back here. You can see stuff way over here. Yeah, anyways. So yeah, you guys can see, I mean, way in the distance you can see these. You can barely even see them, they're so far away. Okay, and if they were just little raindrops on the thing, you would be able to see them. And this is the one that really convinced me the most, because they look the most like raindrops, but you can clearly tell that this isn't just some rain on the camera. I mean, okay, all these ones in the front I could see, okay, yeah, they could be little spots and little this and little that. But, I mean, you can clearly see stuff way in the distance over here. This one especially. This one gave me away, like, because there's not as many, but, I mean, you could see them way off in the distance. Anyways, I just wanted to show you guys the daytime pictures. See, it was clear. There's a couple over there, and then they just gathered. This is just wild. I mean, you get way down there, way over there. Look, way down on top of the highway, right there. There's one. They're over there. I mean, come on, guys. I don't know. I'm never going to be able to convince everyone. I just wanted to show you guys exactly why I'm about 99% sure these are not raindrops. And I can actually see in some of these when they're close enough. This isn't the cleared up one, but when they're close enough, you can actually see some of these entities inside of it. Or they're looking out, like, you can see the top of their heads. I mean, they're used to mask. They're invisible. That's what they're supposed to look like. They're not supposed to, you know, look like anything, really. Our cameras pick it up. But yeah, if these little ones in the back, if they were raindrops, you would be able to see it. And then you would see some kind of trail. Same with these. These are the night ones. I mean, you could see them in the distance. These ones are a lot bigger. I mean, these are huge. These are obviously not raindrops. And then the lightning on this one. I mean, you could see this triangle thing coming down. Obviously, something is going on here. I mean, that's not just a lightning strike. That's something. I can see the triangle. It looks like that, like the bottom of some kind of craft that's putting into this. So, obviously, something was going on. And then in the background here, see these black things? This isn't a building right here. I mean, below it is. Stuff's crazy. I know there's one of these where there was like that. See, that is not rain. That looks more like smoke. And these ones up in the clouds. And this one, I mean, they're all over the place. You can kind of see in the fog, like, these solid things in the fog that aren't. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna post this. Hope everyone is. I don't know. The people who believe will believe. The people who don't won't. So, enjoy. God bless. And thanks for watching.